Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we won't be doing a recipe, instead we'll be doing an activity for kids. Now this is just to make them more excited for Ramadan, and what I did here is that I used a medium size box, cut it in half and took the bigger half of the one half and taped it to the other side. And then I just made a dome shape, and then I made the two pillars also dome shapes on top, so it looks a little bit more like a masjid. Now I did add a little cubby and in front of it, so that she could put her little musallas in there or put her qaida on top of it and read her qaida. Now the next thing is that you need to decorate this. I actually let my daughter do most of the decorating. The only part she did not do was cover the cubby area. So I did glue on the construction paper to the cubby and inside the cubby and on the sides. But everything else she did. She picked out the colors, the stickers, and everything. But the whole point of the activity was that she decorates it herself so that she gets excited to use it. I've noticed something about her, that if she does something herself, she ends up using it more. So even like if she ends up cooking something for herself, she eats it, and if she makes something for herself, she actually uses it. So I thought that if she were to decorate it and everything like that, she would actually sit down and pray and read qaida in front of it and everything. You ready to do your activity?
Yeah.
Alright. We're going to take glue.
Okay.
Alright. And then we're going to glue these papers onto the masjid, okay?
Okay.
This is called as masjid, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to move. Do you want to do your green part first, or do you want to do the red part?
I'll do the green part.
The green part? Okay, so we're going to move the red part out of the way.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you have your glue?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's put it over here. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, now you open your glue.
Okay.
Now put glue all over here. Mama will help you, okay?
Okay.
Come over here. There you go.
Yeah.
And all over this place, right here. All over, all over. So nice, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Take some more glue out. Like this here. Use this one. You have to push it out like that, okay?
Okay.
There you go. And cover it all with glue.
I'm covering.
Now this was really fun for her. There was points where she would just scream out of joy, but this is definitely one of those activities that you need to help them with. As for when it came to the stickers and the washi tape, she did that all by herself. I just took the washi tape, the backing off of it, and she did the rest. Okay, so you have these stickers.
Yeah.
These are your star stickers.
Okay.
Okay. You could put the star stickers right here, one right here, and then one right here. Okay. And then you could put the small star stickers right here, here, here. Okay. And then those glitter tape, we could put anywhere you want.
Okay.
Where do you want to put the glitter tape? Let's do that one first.
Here.
You want to put the glitter tape there? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. You want to do it like this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do it like that. Here's your tape. Put it like this, long way first, okay? Okay.
Pretty.
Yeah. And then we'll do it this way.
Okay. Good. I'm gonna do it, okay?
Okay. Let's do it on that side first, okay?
Okay. It's sticky to me. It's sticky to me. Okay.
Okay. Just push it down. Push it down. Nicely. There you go.
There.
Okay. Now on this side. Oh, sticky. This side.
Okay.
Okay. And you want to put it on that side too? On the front?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Let me measure it first.
I'll do it.
Mm-hmm.
No. Now like this. Oh no.
There you go. Good job. Do you want to use the pink one too?
Yeah.
Where do you want to put the pink one? Inside?
Yeah.
You want to put it long way like this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. 1 minute. You okay?
Yeah.
There you go.
Whoa.
You want to put another one?
Yep.
Oh, we have only a little bit.
Oh no.
That's okay. Here you go. Where do you want to put this?
Here.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait. How we have a little bit though, Mama?
We used all the rest of it.
I used the olive. I did use all of them.
Yeah.
Because
Okay, now where do you want to put your stickers?
stickers. I'll just put my sticker here.
Once she was done decorating it, she was so excited that she actually went and put her burqa on and started reading her qaida right away. And we put it in her room. So I put it in a position where it is right in front of the qibla. So they're not actually praying towards the masjid, they're praying towards the actual qibla. It's just set right there, so they're inside their masjid. Now if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and inshallah I'll be making more for this Ramadan, more activities for kids to do.